In this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be checking the water tightness of the newly installed Gator SRX tonneau cover. It is a roll-up cover, but it does cover the entire bed. There's weather stripping there against the cab section, and all the way down here there's your Gator logo and how it fits in the back. So as you can see down the rails, it does seem to be rather watertight. So I'm going to put an LED light in the bed, and I'm going to put the camera in the bed. Now I'm not going to hammer down on the weather stripping or the seal. I don't think that's necessary, and I don't think anybody is purposely being abusive to their top. But I am using a Ryobi 1600 psi electric pressure washer with a 40-degree nozzle, and I'm just going to rinse the bed, and let's see if there is any water that accumulates inside. Okay, so as you can see, a couple drops here. It did keep the tailgate dry. It was just sitting along the lip, so when I opened it, it would catch here and run down. So there is a little bit here, and then there are some drips towards the top in the two corners. So you can kind of see the water pooling there towards the front, but I'll double check with the rain and report back. I'm not overly concerned about it. The top was just installed today, and it's not exactly warm out, and the cover hasn't had any time to sit in the sun, so it'll probably relax a little bit. But as you can see, the seal here, so you can see where the tarp is like folded over on itself for the stitching, and then there's like a little gap there where the weather stripping sits on top of the cab. But like I said, the nozzle was probably about, I don't know, 12 to 16 inches away and sprayed on an angle, you know, and I pushed the water one way and back the other. So for my purposes, and for probably the majority of people's purposes, it's pretty good. I would still call it 90% watertight. I never had any problems with, after like a real heavy rain, with any type of water collecting or sitting inside of the bed. Never had any mold issues. Obviously, it's more of the angle of which the water is being sprayed. So far so good. If there's any issues moving forward with the performance of the top, I will be sure to report back. I will link the install video because I did run into a couple not necessarily issues, but just some concerns that other people may run into that not too many of the other install videos that I found showed. So that's it. So for a quick video here, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.